Hey my lovelies, I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I create this taco bake using Jimmy Dean sausage. Okay, you're going to go ahead and start frying up that sausage. And I got this recipe off of Pinterest, and it costs a little under $20, and it's enough to feed a family of 4. While your sausage is cooking, go ahead and preheat that oven to 350 degrees. Go ahead and dice up your onions and bell peppers, and you're going to let that cook along with your sausage. Okay, you're going to go ahead and let those saute well together. Your onions and your bell peppers should start to look translucent or caramelized. Okay, this is what it's going to be looking like. Your sausage is browning. Your onions and bell peppers are cooking nicely here. Everything is nice and translucent. All right, and they're going to cook a little bit longer in the oven, so don't worry. They won't be crunchy or anything. And this is optional. If you don't want onions or bell peppers, you don't have to put it in. Okay, next you're going to drain your sausage of your oil. You're going to make sure you remove that oil and meat from the pan. And then once you do that, you're going to add it back to the pan and turn your oven back on. Okay, now you're going to add in your tomatoes. And then after you get those tomatoes added in, you're going to go back in with your kidney beans. These here are some dark red kidney beans by Bush. Get you a half cup of water, and you're going to add that in as well. And then use your choice of taco season. I chose Taco Bell. I used it with all of my Taco Bell recipes. Okay, you're going to mix that all together. Make sure it's well incorporated. And you're going to bring your heat back up to a boil. And you make sure you stir this frequently so that it thickens up. All right, and once that has cooked down, you're going to go ahead and get a pan, and you're going to spray that with a nonstick spray, and you're going to add in your tortilla chips, or if you like Tostitos chips, you can do that. You're going to roughly break those up, and then you're going to cover that with mild cheddar cheese. And then once you do that, you're going to pour on your taco meat sauce. And then you're going to repeat this step. Okay, add that cheese on the top of that, and then you're gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Make sure you cover with aluminum foil so you'll have a... All right, you guys, this is the finished product. I think it came out pretty good. Everything looks good. The cheese is on there nice. It's well seasoned, has a lot of flavor, and you're just gonna top that with your sour cream and cilantro, and that's it. Thank you.